Crispy Chicken by Brendan Zahorsky. Same guy who gives me shivers. Your weight is on the left to start. 5, 6, 7, go. Touch, rock, touch, rock. Triple right, rock, recover, triple. Triple 3 sailors, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, kick 7 and 8. Cross, cross. Turn it out, V-step. Out, out, in, restart. Touch, rock, triple. Sailor. Cross and heel, cross and heel. Take it to the back. 8 counts. Touch, rock, touch. Restart. Touch, rock, touch, rock, triple. Sailors. Cross, heel, take it to the fall. Start again. Sailor. Cross. Broken cowboy blues. 8 counts. Restart. Nicely done. Oh, that was called Crispy Chicken by Brendan Zahorsky.